In this video, I'll show how to make the cab for the loader. A couple things to note. In the drawings, it shows two pieces for the cab, and in the bill of materials, it shows one. But notice again, it's laminated pine. The intention would be if you build it out of wood, you'd make it as two pieces, then glue them together. And then you can use a dado blade to cut these window slots. We can model it all as one piece in Inventor because we don't have to worry about getting a tool into that. So we're going to start with a block that is 1.5 inches by 2 1/8 inch and 3 inches tall. So we'll make a new part in Inventor and a new sketch. 1.5 by 2 1/8 and 3 inches tall. Next, we'll put the slot that goes all the way through for this window here. It says it's a 1 3/8 inch dado, 1/2 inch deep. So that shows 1 3/8 inch this direction. 1/2 inch deep means these are 3/4 inch pieces with a 1/4 inch left on either side. So we'll just do a rectangle on this side that is 1 3/8 by 1 inch. And then we will dimension it so that it is a 1/4 inch from the top and a 1/4 inch from the side, because it shows a 1/4 inch here and there would be a 1/4 inch of material left. We can then do an extrusion with this, but it will change it to a cut extrusion that goes all the way through. Next, we need to put a window in the front of the object. There's a detail here that shows that. The window has a 1/4 inch border along the sides, and it's 1 1/8 inch tall. And it's shown as if you made it out of wood, you'd start with 1/4 inch holes to make the radius and then cut around it. But we'll just do a 1/8 inch radius because the 1/4 inch will be the diameter of the drill bit. So we'll do a sketch this time on what would be the front. And I'll just draw a rectangle and then dimension it. It's going to be a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch here. And it is going to be 1 1/8 inch tall. And then we'll use the fillet tool at 1/8 inch to place roundovers on the 4 corners. We can now extrude that sketch as a cut. This time it's only going to go to next though, because I don't want it to go at the back of the cab. Now we're very nearly done with the cab. We need to have a roundover. It says here that there is a 1/4 inch roundover on the top side edges of the cab. So using the fillet tool set at a 1/4 inch, these two edges are rounded over. And the cab is now done.